Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the euro currency. So you can see yesterday was a relatively quiet session. Market shows some reaction and resistance. As we said in our weekly report, but this reaction is very gradual, slow, so definitely keeps the features of the pullback. And in general, if you recall our discussion in the weekend, we said that, well, currently market, at least in the technical background, and by the technical analysis, it forms the some scenario that mostly suggests some upward continuation, because on the weekly chart, if you remember, we have large bullish engulfing pattern here, and the fact that market just has shown very fast acceleration in last week, breaking all existed significant levels except maybe the 618 level, because it is accompanied with the daily overbought. This action was really very strong, and it was, if you remember, 1050 approximately was our confidence resistance and agreement level, and it also has been broken. That makes us think that we could get a kind of the A, B, C bottom, whatever it will be, upward continuation. And theoretical weekly charts suggest that we could go back to the 114.50 area. That's our short-term scenario that we are keeping an eye on them. So and we continue to watch what is going on right now with the first step of this scenario is a minor pullback inside of the body of the big engulfing pattern. So as we currently searching chance to go long, we need to estimate where this retracement could be over. Also, scalp traders, as we said, you could consider taking the short position, but this is really a very tricky moment in the current situation because, well, it's really fragile background for taking the short position here. On the hourly chart, we have the same picture mostly that we discussed in the weekly report. And here we consider two patterns. The first pattern is the head and shoulders. By this pattern, it suggests that market will hit the neckline, shows the pullback somewhere to the 1068, 1065, and then we could get greater A, B, C top pattern to the downside. Second pattern is direct ABCD retracement without any head and shoulders. The market could drop directly to the confidence support. It's 109.23, 109.50, creating this ABCD OP target right here. And that's also will be the level where we could consider taking the long position. Whatever it will be, either the reaching of the neckline or it will be direct ABCD pattern. In both cases, that will be relatively safe to make an attempt to go long, because this will be a very strong support. And at least by the market momentum, market technical response, we should get some minor bounce here. Some harmonic swing upward here should happen, just by technical response of the strong level. That in turn will be either right arm, or it should be a real upward continuation based on the pattern that we have on the weekly chart. In both cases, you should get minor pullback, at least minor pullback, that let you move stops to the break even. That's the idea of the trade on the hourly chart right now. If somehow market will stop here and start dropping it more, you just move stop to the break even and see what will happen, or you could close your position. So that's choice is up to you what to do. My task here is to provide you the level where maximum protection to your position exists. And currently we consider this 109.23, 109.50 level. That's what we will keep an eye on today. So appearing on direct ABCD pattern here is more welcome to us, because it could suggest that we could get direct upward continuation right from here. And at the same time, well, hand shadows also could fail. So if market will not stop here and start climbing back to the head, it also will be in the favor of the bulls. In the current situation, as you can see, taking the short position, well, it's a tricky moment, because right now it's definitely not the good point, because well, you will not just place the good stop order if you will take the position right here. So one thing that you have for taking the short is to waiting for creating of the hand and shoulders and trying to short around 1065 on the top of the right arm. That's at least some logical decision for the bears. But as I said, well, tricky. The trading on the short side right now is really tricky. So that's our view on euro currency today. Let's see how the situation will develop.